YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice. I'm back with another video. Right, so if you don't already know, man, you already know what to do. I want you to scroll down to the description and click that link. Any description is gonna take you right over to my second channel. Smash that subscribe button for me. Also, guys, if you want to copy 26 King Wavy merch, that's also linked in the description below. Go over to his website, use my discount code 360Juice, 26% off your purchase. Don't forget to use that discount code, take some money off your channel, you feel me? But y'all, as you can see in the title, you already know what this video is about, man. I don't gotta explain myself. Do I gotta explain myself? Let me know if I gotta explain myself. Alright, I'll explain myself anyway. Let me turn that down real quick. Alright, y'all, so boom. To explain this video, I know a lot of y'all don't know what products to get to have a successful washing style, all right? So this video is just gonna break down the products that are needed, or the products that you can use for your washing styles. All right, so I hope this video is very informational for y'all. I hope this video helps. All right, so that's basically it. After that, I'm just gonna come home and edit and post it for y'all, all right, around 4 p.m. Eastern. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Damn, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it, hey.
Alright guys, so we all know before washing style, you have to wet your hair. Your hair has to be wet or damped. Alright, so before you apply the shampoo. So you will need a spray bottle. Or if you don't want a spray bottle, you could just wet your hair regularly. But I would recommend a spray bottle. All right. Next up, we got the comb. All right, we all know that we need a comb when we're wolfing, and this comes in handy to detangle your hair right before you go on with the wash session. So this one has a wide tooth and a small tooth, so that's very helpful when it comes to your hair length. All right, so the comb is very important. This one right here has got to be the most important one, which is the mirror. Okay, so you need the mirror to actually know which pattern you're brushing your waves when you're washing your hair. Okay, brushing blind is very, is not recommended. I would not recommend you brush blind. So you will need a mirror, either when you're doing a brush session or a wash session. All right, depending on what type of shampoo you use, Shea Moisture or Cantu. The detangling shower brush. This is actually my favorite. This is a Red by Kiss detangling shower brush. It actually has a long handle, which is much easier. It doesn't slip out your hands as easily as the other ones that I use. This next one is a no handle detangling shower brush. It's pretty cool. It's a short handle, which is the one that I use, and it always slips out my hands when I'm using it because it's so short. Like, the handle is so short, it's not really good to grasp. All right, so we all need a brush when we're doing our washing styles. All right, so you could really get any brush that you want. Just make sure it's a medium or a hard if you have enough hair to use a hard brush. And this one's just a curved no handle brush. Now, if you're more comfortable, you can definitely get that. Ain't nothing bad about a handle brush. And when it comes to the conditioners, okay, you can use a cold wash conditioner, or you can use a regular conditioner, Shea Moisture or Cantu, whichever one you prefer. All right. And when it comes to the do-rag, just use a regular deluxe luxury do-rag, a silky do-rag, whatever do-rag you want to use. Then we got the Boo Boo wave cap. I feel like that's the best wave cap because it's much tighter than any other wave cap. All right, you guys, so I just made it back home. I showed you guys everything that I use for my washing styles. All right, maybe in the future I'm gonna have more, you know. I might do some product upgrades, you feel me? Use better products, you know, when my knowledge increases on this. But this is basically all I use, you know, for my washing styles. Y'all see it in my videos. You know, I will be doing a washing style very soon. I will have the links to these products down in the description. So if you guys want to know where I get these products from or where to get these products from, it's gonna be down in the link in the description below. Click that, it's gonna take you over, you know, just order yours today. You know, nothing too difficult. That's it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, if this video is very informational to y'all, if you guys learned something new, if you guys found this helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, smash that subscribe button for me, and we are out of here. Peace.